Hey Marcy, I spoke with Philip earlier and he said that you might be interested in this movie or little video I made for you. And I am a digital marketer in BNI in Utah, and I've been helping out auto glass companies grow their revenue and build their and scale their businesses. And so that's why I'm reaching out to kind of see if you're interested. That's great, and if you're not, no harm, no foul. Hope this video is informational for you at least. So I usually start out with people's websites. I love that you have all the old custom cars on here. That's pretty sweet. But from a digital marketer standpoint, I would recommend some more content on here. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords, and to me, that is usually something that has a location and also a service. So, like windshield replacement, Lafayette, Indiana. That would be a good buyer intent keyword. The other thing you could do is if you save images correctly, instead of upper left side show back grow, if you save the alternate text correctly, that could be a buyer intent keyword, and because it's embedded behind the photo for you. And then this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It's a third-party tool that gives me your analytics and shows me where you're setting. You're at 200 words on your homepage. And then the DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while also balanced. You're currently at 0.4 and 9, and that's due to your referring pages and domains. And pretty much what those are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever humanly possible. It looks like you're being indexed for 75 keywords and getting roughly 20 people to your website each month. And looking at the keywords that you're being indexed for, like windshield replacement Lafayette, Indiana, that's an awesome one. 80 searches a month, you're in the 5th position, so you're getting around 10%. Manage auto glass, you should be number 1 if that's your brand, but you're still people are still searching for it, so that's cool. And then windshield repair, tinting, tints, those are all great keywords, but you're on the 2nd page, so you're really not capitalizing on these buyer intent keywords. So that's like for your website sort of thing. And then if we look at just like a regular search, like windshield replacement Lafayette, Indiana, right here is the Google ads. This is where I've been helping a lot of auto glass companies excel with their click-through rates and also their conversion rates on the website itself, on the landing page. And there is a little bit of a thing that I've been doing that a lot of other agencies don't. For starters, as you can see, I put windshield replacement, which it does say windshield and replacement in the SafeLight ad, but it doesn't say where they're located, like if it's in Lafayette, if it's all over the place, so you don't ever really know. But if you can get the location and also the service inside the ad somewhere, it's super beneficial because then people know, hey, I do work in this area and this is what I do. The other thing is you want to split your ad groups up into different themes, like windshield repair and windshield replacement should be different, but also auto glass repair and auto glass replacement and windshield replacement should be different too, because then you could really specialize into which ad is being shown, and that'll up your click-through rate. And then a landing page experience should have one function, and that is to contact you, whether it's through a form submit or a phone call, whatever you want. But usually you want a big click to call up top, maybe a form submit right here, what you do, where you do it, and then maybe if you run any promotions right there, that'd be a great spot for it, so that they know when they land on the landing page that they're still getting what they're looking for. And then, of course, have some pictures in the background of different types of services you do. If it's auto glass or windshield, make sure to have a windshield back there. And then you should have some trust factors, some more call to actions, and things like that as you scroll down the page. But a lot of the times people click right here just to call, or they'll call from your website. So, and just to kind of give you a quick glimpse, like you're looking right here, windshield replacement, there's 110 searches, windshield repair, 50, 30, 30, 30. There's hundreds of searches for, your services. And if you're in front of these people on top of the page, then that's more likelihood of you getting clicked on. The next part is the Google Business Profile. It looks like you guys are doing pretty good right here. 195 reviews, that's awesome. There's a little trick I do to try and get more reviews. I can tell you about that later. It seems like you're doing pretty good right here, but if you ever wanted to expand in your area or also different keywords, auto glass, replacement repair, things like that, there's a few things that I recommend. The biggest ones are reviews. The next one is citations, which is your name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages and Yelp. Because Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, and not just in your local, but in your surrounding areas as well. And so, just being in the Google Business Profile and in ads, about 70% of people stop right here because they don't want to go any lower, which is where your website would rank. And it looks like SafeLike and then Magic Glass are, for this particular buyer intent keyword, are one of your top competitors. So I went to Magic Glass. Their website, kind of basic as well, a little bit more pictures, a little bit more content, which is fine. But once you start to outrank your competitors by having your authoritative content, your backlinks and citations, you're going to start to outrank them. And then a percentage of these total volumes are going to start going to your website instead of theirs. And then a percentage of the people going to the website are going to give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Marcy, I hope this was beneficial. If you are interested in talking more, let's set up a discovery call, see if we're a good fit for each other. And if not, I hope this is informative and helpful. Have a great day.